We are an actual, full Christian denomination, engaged in serious spiritual warfare, but everyone just thinks we are a thrift store with a brass band. If the pastor didn't sweat completely through his three-piece suit and yell for at least 45 minutes straight, did church even happen? We have all the fancy robes and high liturgy of the Catholics, but absolutely none of the strict rules or the historic guilt. If you are currently having fun, eating good food, or even thinking about dancing, it is almost certainly a terrible sin. We don't really know what we collectively believe on any given Sunday, but at least we have a potluck committee to oversee the other potluck committee. Let me explain over the next 45 minutes why you have absolutely no actual free will, and were probably predestined to completely hate this conversation before time began. We truly love the Pope, but we also really love when the Holy Spirit falls on us so hard that we speak in tongues and fall over. Yes, we are historically older than the Roman Catholics, and no, we still aren't changing the Divine Liturgy from the year 300 for anyone. We have the Eastern Orthodox Divine Liturgy. We fully accept the Roman Catholic Pope, and yet absolutely nobody in the West knows we exist.
We are exactly like the Amish in terms of simplicity, but we still use the modern internet to buy all our necessary modest clothing.
God definitely hates musical instruments of any kind used in worship, and we are also likely the only true believers actually going to heaven. We believe deeply in the strict, unbreakable sovereignty of God over everything, but we are also really obsessed with democratically voting on things constantly.